Hello everyone, today I'm going to be walking you through an integration by substitution question. Pause the video now and have a go at it yourself. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite the integral over here. And the substitution they've given us, so they've given us the substitution in this question. Most of the time we'll have to come up with the substitution ourselves. U equals cos x plus 1. So first thing we want to do is we're going to want to differentiate the u so that we can find the integral in terms of u instead of being in terms of x. So when we differentiate cos x we get minus sin x, and when we differentiate 1 we get nothing. So we're going to want to rearrange this so we can substitute it into the equation. So du over sin x, so minus, equals dx. So let's rewrite the integral over here. Pi over 2, 0, e. Because u equals cos x plus 1, we can substitute u for that. Multiplied by sin x, I'm going to write the multiplied sign, multiplied by minus du over sin x. Something we can do now is, because we have something divided by sin x, multiplied by sin x, we can cancel them out because they'll multiply to equal 1. So we'll get this is the integral we've got now. But remember that the limits we have are in terms of x, so we're going to want to find the limits in terms of u so that we can integrate with respect to u. So because we know that the substitution u equals cos x plus 1, we can substitute pi over 2 into that. So write u2 for the top limit, cos pi over 2 plus 1, and the bottom one will be u1, we'll write cos 0 plus 1. Cos pi over 2 plus 1 is 1, and cos 0 plus 1 is 2. So the integral would be, that we're finding, would be 1 and 2 e to the u minus e to the u du. When we integrate something to the power of u, we do 1 over that power and we bring it in front of the e. But because we have just one lot of u, we have e to the power of u, it would be the exact same, because we'll just bring 1 over 1, which is the same as 1, down. So that e to the, so let's say for example e to the 4u, when you integrate that, you get 1 over 4 e to the u, e to the 4u. But we have e to the u minus e to the u, and when we integrate that, we'll just get minus e to the u, because we'll just bring 1 down. So when we integrate that, we'll get 1, 2, minus e to the u. Okay, so let's substitute our limits. So you get minus e to the u to the 1. Minus e to the 1 minus e squared, which is minus e plus e squared. Let's just write that so it looks nicer. So e squared minus e, that's what we get. That's the answer to the integral, but you can simplify that and factorize out e, and we'll get e minus 1. And that we have successfully shown that this equals this, because our answer is the same. I hope you found the video useful. Thank you for watching.